What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, and I'm back with another video, guys. Man, y'all already know, if you're new to this channel, just watching the videos, guys, I appreciate it if you drop down below, hit that like, most definitely comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Rock out with your boy. But today we're gonna be getting up out of here, guys, and we will be taking this here back handle off of this window, man. I'm gonna turn my camera around, and I'm gonna let y'all see what I'm talking about. Let's get it. So, alright, y'all. So as y'all know, man, we done went over ahead and removed the Chevy symbol. And today, what I want to be getting rid of is this still the back piece. You know, the window's still open, guys. And yeah, I can actually use my fob to open it if I want it open, and I'll show y'all guys in a hot second. And I just think it give it an overall smoother look, man. Y'all jump down into the comments, let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all think it'll give it a smoother look, or y'all think, you know, y'all should just keep it there? So what I'm gonna do, man, you know, we gonna use this little plastic, and hopefully we can get it taken care of, guys. But yeah, I done shed it, and I'm gonna show y'all, man, how I can basically open it with the wiper. And yeah, and just like that, you know, she pop open. Yeah, I don't have the button, man. I did have the button, but that's another story. We'll get into that maybe another video. But as y'all can see, man, it popped right up with no problem. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. So like I said, if you're new to the channel, just watching the videos, man, I sure appreciate it if you drop down below, like, comment, and most definitely subscribe to the channel, man. Oh yeah, it's hot. Y'all know this the summer, man. So yeah, we're gonna get it started, bro. And hopefully this is all I need, you know. Hopefully if I take it off, I don't see anything else behind here or nothing like that. So we're just gonna use my little pry tool and kind of shimmy around it, man. But yeah, and if any one of you guys out there that actually did this, man, jump down into the comments, leave me a comment. Y'all let me know how y'all like it, how did it turn out for y'all. You know, this is a PPV, so I don't know if I'm gonna actually have a, okay. So as I can see it right now, guys, it's pretty much all what you call them behind it. And there you have it, man. She off, she's in my hand. Right now, I just have to clean this up. And yeah, basically that's it. We're gonna step back, man. She look better already, you know. And like I said, I really never used it. This little piece. So yeah, it just pokes out to me, guys. It's an eyesore. So what y'all think, man? This how I look with it. Hold on, let me get the camera focused. Y'all gotta know, man, it's hot as hell out here, you heard me? But this how I look with it. This how I look without it. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up, man, and I will turn y'all back on. I will keep the camera rolling, but it don't make no sense, man. I'm pretty sure y'all know how to clean this here off. And like I said, you know, I don't have no problems on opening. You know, I can open it from my remote, my alarm guy. So yeah, just a little quick, simple little mod, man. You know, delete. Keep that back all smooth. And man, I actually want to get rid of the windshield wiper, but I think I'm gonna keep it, man. You know, it does play a part. But if any one of you out there that actually deleted the rear wiper, man, tap in with me, man. Leave me a comment, let me know what I should do. and things of that nature, and let me know how it you know, do your back window fog up. I know I had this the defrosters in the inside, but you know, at times, man, you need to just wipe that window. Just my opinion, but yeah, check it out. Check it out, man. She dirty right now, but yeah, y'all stay tuned. Like I said, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean this back piece up, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on and show y'all, you know, the finished product, how it look with this head handle gone. Like I said, man, whenever you messing around with the glass or anything like that, man, the last thing that you guys really, the last thing that y'all want to use, man, is a razor blade. You know, you put a razor on this window and boom, there you have it, man. You're gonna scratch up your whole back glass. So just take your time, get you some plastic, and it'll come off. But if y'all can look through the window, man, y'all see I'm out here sweating, man, trying to get this content for y'all. But yeah, I think it looked real good, man. Just like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean her up, and I'll cut y'all back on in a hot second. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so I'm back, man. Y'all can see, man, I done reversed the wheel, and I got the eraser wheel. So, man, I'm just about to attack it, clean it up a little bit, and I'll cut y'all back on.
A few moments later.
All right, so I just hit it with the eraser wheel. Y'all can see, I mean, I knocked it all the way down. So, yeah. Let me go grab this goo gone. We're gonna come back and wipe her down. Yeah, man. I'll come back and wipe her down. And, yeah, man, we should be done. You heard me? So, man, if y'all just not checking in, man, watching the videos, guys, I appreciate it if you drop down below, hit that like, most definitely comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all see I'm out here sweating, you heard me, trying to get this shit in for y'all. You feel me, man? We got plenty more content to come, man. Y'all just wait on it. Shit, but we gonna flip this camera back around. All right, y'all, so, man, I'm finished. So y'all can see, I got this little bitty smudge right there. But I'm gonna wipe it with this goo gone. And yeah, we get it right where we want it at. So, man, if you guys feeling that, man, I think it looked really awesome. Hold up 1 second. All right, y'all, so like I was saying, this how it look with it on there. And actually I just have it sitting on there, but I'll take it off. And that's how it look without it. So like I say, I'm just clean up this here just a little bit more better, and probably go wash the truck because it's dirty and it's hot. So might go wash it. Cause it's hot. And man, she need to be washed, but y'all know how it is, man, when it comes down to washing these here black, anything black, you know, especially this here hot, man, you might have to be out here for a couple of hours. So yeah, guys, I might just wait till it cool down. But most definitely, what y'all think? And I got some sensors. I actually got some sensors coming, so I will be plugging those in as well. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's how it look without the back window handle. And I still have all my functions. I still can control my back hatch with no problem, guys. So but yeah, no problem, man. But yeah, we're gonna wrap this video up. But yeah, man, y'all spam that like button, drop those comments, light them up, light them up, light them up. Y'all already see it, man. Big panoramic, big spoiler sunroof, big 26s on the way. OTW, man. You feel me? So, man, y'all keep rocking out with your boy. But yeah, we gonna get up out of here, guys. So until the next video, it's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop. Y'all already know positive lives, spread positive vibes, guys. So, man, with that being said, y'all jump down into the comment section. Y'all leave your boy one of the fire comments. Like the channel, man. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Share the videos, guys. Turn on y'all post notifications, you heard me? And we out of here. Gone.
AZ, it's a beat.